Hello friends, how we doing? Just heading over to Leeds to the model shop that we went to in the last video with oldest friend. Not going with oldest friend, it's just me. I'm all by myself, apart from Nita.
All by myself.
What?
I don't know what that was. Anyway, let's go.
2 hours later.
Right, been to the model shop in Leeds. I was going to video it, but there was a few people in and it looked busy, so I didn't want to take up much of their time. Although I probably did with deciding which remote control car I was going for. So it was a toss-up between the FTX Vantage 2.0 or the FTX Zorro. I had a look at both of them. The guy got them out. Sorry, I didn't get your name. And much as I wanted to go with one of them, I was persuaded, gently I hasten to add, that upgrading and parts were just manoeuvring around this roundabout, were a lot easier to get with this particular one that I decided on. So, is that a bit of a clue? So we're going to go back now and get it charged up and give it a bash. Not literally. But we need to get you food first, don't we, Pooch? Okay, back at home. So, what did I go for? Drum roll, please. The Vantage 2.0. Right, we've got the instruction booklet here. The wing to put on. We've got a one of those cheap chargers. And here she is. How do I get her out one-handed? Just hang on a minute. That's what she said. And there we go. Excuse the camera work. There we are. Nice. Just as a hand comparison, it's 1/10 brushed. Hello friends, good morning. Second day, we're heading to the skate park for a bit of a bash with Carlos. Let's bez. How have you taken your coat off? Little monkey. And this is where Nita goes mad for Uncle Carl. In 3, 2, 1.
Hello! Hello, little madhead. Here we go. Got to do my standard shouty bit.
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, dude. How are you doing? Ah, very bad, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Good. Got the trusty MJX ready to roll, hopefully. I'm going to put the 3S in it, give that a bez up there.
Just compare it.
And then got the Vantage.
Oh. So again, 110, similar style, similar size.
Just bigger wheels on yours, isn't it?
Yeah.
What have you got then? What's the new one?
That is the new one.
Oh, is that the new one?
Yeah, that is the new one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you've had it out already?
Yeah.
Ah. Do you know what?
What?
Bloody Reese.
Bloody Reese. Yeah, bloody Reese. Oh, we spent a fortune since we met that bugger.
Yep. Right, let's bez.
2,200 milliamp hour 3S batteries. Let's give it a go.
Right, everybody that's in the vicinity of a mile needs to get out of the way.
You might be right.
Yeah.
I have reinforced the inside with some fiberglass tape just to give it a bit more structure.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. I had the fiberglass tape. I've been reinforcing it with tape long before you came up with fiberglass. But he did. Oldest friend said, try the fiberglass tape. People are saying fiberglass is a good idea.
Are you recognising something that I've suggested?
It's not a bad idea.
Bloody
Yeah.
hell.
Well, I'll tell you when I've tried to wreck the body shell, and
Yeah.
and it's lasted. It's survived. Right. What I've been doing is this battery tray is a little bit long, so I've got a bit of foam.
Have you not got long ones?
I've not got a long 3S. Well, this is a medium-sized tray. The long 3S batteries are really long.
Right.
They're like that 2S battery that I've got in the PDF racing. PDF. I keep calling it PDF.
PDF.
PD racing. So I'm just going to shove that in there to stop it from sliding around.
Is that sheep?
Right.
Is it sheep skull?
Oh, it is. Yeah, it's a sheep's
I
skull.
wonder why it's got the two holes in the top of its head. Those its eyes.
Those its eyes.
Right.
Right.
I'm going to run this battery down on this, and then we're going to do 3S in the MJX. And then that happened. Oops.
Oops. Oops, indeed. That's a real...
Went into there, that fence, and it didn't hit it that hard at all. But I'm surprised at the amount of damage it's done, considering.
Oh, legs gone on your tripod.
Oh, your favourite tripod.
Camera accident. It's a stick camera. Oh, legs gone on the tripod. Oh, it's a little spitfire. Camera alright? Oh, it's a bit scuffed.
Oh shit. Yeah, but that's only the cover for it.
Yeah, you can get a new lens, can't you? Lens
Yeah. I might.
You know when you just catch the remote?
Why is it you always direct it towards me?
I didn't! It's got magnet. You're a magnet.
Magnet. Looks like that's the drive shaft. Carl was right, it's just the skid plate, we'll call it a skid plate. So see if there's an upgraded one and then swap it over. I may need one of these centre barriers as well, because it's come off there. See what other damage there is when we get to it. Still, that's what it's part and parcel about, I guess.
I ain't bust mine. I ain't bust mine.
There's no need to brag when your oldest friend is at his worst.
Can you smell it? I can smell a cow. No, it's just milk. Somebody milking it.
This is what friends are. They don't offer sympathy. They don't offer comfort or any other type of... Well, that's not going in the edit. Jesus Christ.
In fact, what you want to put is, that's not going in the edit, so everybody wonders what I was actually said.
Yeah. Oh dear.
Alright, on further inspection with this, we've noticed... I friggin' love this thing. I think the battery's starting to go. My God, I love this. On the bump.
So would you like to explain about steering trim?
Oh, you want your trumpet blowing?
Mm.
Can't put that in the edit.
Can't put that in the edit. Times two.
No, so oldest friend has just recognised that it was pulling to the right, and he recognised that the toe was out on the left-hand wheel. We just adjusted it with a trusty multi-tool, and yeah, it's tracking straight now, which is really cool.
And I only knew about this after spending hours trying to sort out the MJX that was moving to the right. And you've even got steering trim centred, haven't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Just take your hands off, just line it up, take your hands off the steering.
Obviously camber there, so that's gonna...
Yeah. I love it. I love that one. It's I love it. It's just the bigness.
Yeah, the bigness.
It's the bigness. Oh man, so much fun today. Absolutely love this. I am going to have to try the brushless one. So this is the 2S brushed. That just mad off its on cocaine, crazy. Yeah, I absolutely. That's my new MJX. I think it's a little bit bonkers.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. He's giving me some foam.
Back.